Differentiate y equals 2 to the x to the third power. All right, this one looks a little bit interesting, right? This is what we call an exponential expression right here. And, well, not the issue, right? But we see that, okay, the base is 2, but the exponent of the base is, another polynomial function, right? X to the third power. How are we going to find the derivative of this guy? Well, there's actually a formula for expressions of this type. Okay, let's say if y is equal to a to the u power, right? So a is going to be any real number bigger than 2. And of course, u is just that exponent, right? So in this case, dy dx is going to equal, in this case, you do have to memorize this, right? It's a to the u times ln of a times du dx, right? And of course, once again, make sure you memorize this or make sure you have this formula handy. In this case, you notice y equals 2 to the u power, right? Where u is just equal to x cubed. Okay? So if we follow this formula right here, right? What is dy dx going to be? Remember, dy dx, because we are taking the derivative of this y equation with respect to x here, right? That's why this one's du dx, right? Because we are taking the derivative of the u equation, right? U with respect to x here, okay? So let's just follow this formula here, right? So what is a derivative? Well, it's just a function itself, right? So 2x cubed times the ln of 2, which is the base in this case, times du dx, right? What is the derivative of x cubed? Well, in this case, we can just use the power rule, bring that down, so we get 3x squared. Really nothing else to simplify here. I mean, we could change the order, but here is going to be our final answer.